a good session. The oppositional deficient disorder and contact disorder are completely new to me. I have never heard any idea about this. But today you explained those two in a the whole session was very good. I got a clear idea about that and how to handle different strategies to handle the children. It was an enlightening session. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Very, very enriching session. Like we all know that, we are dealing with young minds. To go into a class with a half-baked knowledge is dangerous. And over here, we discussed so much, we got to know a different point of view, how all the other teachers in the class, they deal with the children, and with whatever theory part that you touched upon. It was very helpful, and I'm sure for me, and I can say that, say it for all of us, that next time when we enter our classrooms, we're going to be much more confident than how we are right now.
So first of all, a huge thank you. Like, as a facilitator, you were really went on well. And most importantly, I would like to thank every participant, because I understand how difficult it can be, as even whether we are a caregiver, whether we're a teacher, whether we work at a mainstream school or a center, dealing with that can be difficult, and sometimes it can feel a bit like we're alone and we can't afford to make mistakes. But here, although we are different, from different states, we all have experiences that we brought up, all the strategies, all the things, the many things that we have discussed about. That really is assuring. I learned a lot, like things I can do better, things I can improve on, things perhaps that I should have introduced prior to this. So I would really thank you, ma'am, and also to each and every one of you for this.
I would like to take a moment and thank you, ma'am. And I want to thank everyone who are here today. Like, even they made our work so easy to understand the entire concept. And ma'am, with your guidance, I'm truly sure little more confident to deal my class now with special techniques. And all the friends, thank you out there for, touching to the thin line to like how to giving a boost up to how to face even different challenges with different planning and plotting. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
It was really interesting session.
A lovely interactive session. It was a two-way communication session which I've attended after a very long time, where everyone was participating and giving their positive feedback. And ma'am, the way you patiently, you were listening to us, giving us a proper feedback, and answering all our queries. So this gives us a lot of confidence, and this truly will help me in my child's development. Thank you so much again.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was very interesting, because I was totally new to the concept. So it was very interesting to know how I can implement this in my classroom also, because I had like a child with similar behavior power problems last year, and it was very difficult for me to handle it, but I managed with the help of my peers, with other co-teachers and everything. We managed with the child to understand the child a little bit better. But today with this session, I really understand, I could have done much a better job if I had known about this earlier. So it was really interesting, and it was very, very good. So thank you, ma'am, a lot
for this interesting session. And it was a quite interactive session. Everyone was giving ideas, and this idea, next time when we will enter the class, we will definitely work with these ideas. Thank you, guys.